I'm going to do a sample on how to create coordinate information in the design file using the tables tool. First thing, go to applications, geopak road, plan preparation, tables. From here you can plot or you can create a layout. This reads an RTR file that's in the geopak bin directory. Okay, so you may want to copy that RTR file. It's called tables.rtr, and you may want to put it in your working directory for your project so you don't lose your changes. Geopak will always read the RTR file that's in the working directory first. So to create a new layout, we go to layout. We're going to give it a name. I'm just going to call this one test. I'm going to hit enter. And now the symbology, I can select the default symbology. I can select the text size and width, a font, color, and all that. And then I'm going to say apply. Now I'm going to define the top of the range. I'm going to do a DP, and I'm going to grab the top here, and I'm going to do the bottom of the range here. This is going to design or determine. You may want to snap or tentative snap before you do this, okay, to make sure you get the correct edge, like that, and like this, okay. Basically what this is going to do is going to set what the next row of information will go to. The data packet, you can do curves information, spirals, parcels. So if I do curve information and hit apply, and here I can select what justification. This is how the text will be placed in relation to that top and bottom range. So it's a good idea. Some people, what they do is they put active points in Microstation so they can snap to the same place, or you can eyeball it if you want. So for example, if I want the name of the curve, I'll click name once, and now the name will be following me around here. And obviously my text was too small, so I'm just going to abort that, and I'm going to go back to layout, create test, enter, and I'm going to maybe increase my text size 10 times, and I'll go apply. The DP and the bottom are still the same. I'm going to apply. Now the name, I see now is a lot bigger, maybe a little too big, but you get the idea. Basically I'll place that wherever I want it here, okay, and that's going to remember that position. Don't worry about the X's. If I want the length of the curve, I'll click on length, and I'll go place the length wherever I want that length to show up in my table. If I want the PC station, I'll select that, and let's say I'm done now. I'll just say complete. Now that format is being created, so the next time if I want to plot the information, I'll go to plot, and I'll select the format I created, test, and now notice it's going to list chains or curves, whichever one you want to use. So I'm going to select the data point. Let's say I want this as my top of range. Let me tentative over here by top of range. Okay, and now if I select the curve, it's going to plot that information, and if I go another curve, it will remember the previous one, and I'll just go curve, 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 and it's plotting all this information according to that format. Okay, I hope that's very helpful and clear for you.